Climb inside the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, voice-activated navigation, a power seat, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 30 gigabyte hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.